Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we are comparing two high-performance graphics cards, the PowerColor Hellhound Spectral White AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. Both cards are designed for gamers who demand top-tier performance, but they come with different specifications and features. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the best fit for your gaming needs. Both graphics cards come equipped with 16 gigabytes of memory, which is essential for handling modern games and applications. However, the PowerColor Hellhound utilizes GDDR6 memory, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti features the newer GDDR7 memory. This difference in memory type may impact performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks. GDDR7 is designed to provide higher bandwidth and efficiency, making it a strong contender for future-proofing your gaming setup. Cooling is crucial for maintaining optimal performance during gaming sessions. The PowerColor Hellhound features a standard cooling solution, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti boasts advanced cooling technology with its TORX Fan 5.0. This design allows for better airflow and heat dissipation, ensuring that the card remains cool even under heavy loads. Gamers looking for sustained performance during long gaming sessions may prefer the MSI's superior cooling capabilities. When it comes to pricing, the PowerColor Hellhound is priced at $899, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is slightly more affordable at $834. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many gamers, especially when considering the features and performance offered by each card. It's essential to weigh the benefits of each card against their costs to determine which one provides the best value for your gaming setup. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Hellhound and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti offer impressive specifications for gamers. The choice between them will depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize memory type, cooling efficiency, or price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.